Powerful, lightweight, precise. Now with lithium-ion technology. Angle exact iron professional and exact iron professional. With torque ranges from 0.5 Newton meters to 60 Newton meters. Ideal for any application. Greater process reliability. Adjust the screwdriving process via USB interface. Greater comfort due to the ergonomic design and low weight. Greater efficiency. High number of screwdriving applications per battery charge. OK and no OK feedback and automatic shutoff once the torque target is hit. Brushless EC motor technology with higher speeds. The EC motor has up to 100% longer lifetime and up to 30% more runtime per battery charge. Best power-weight ratio in its class. Lower your costs. Shorter production time due to high speeds and screwdriving stages. Measured at a tolerance of plus minus 10% in accordance with ISO 5393. Powerful, lightweight, precise. Now with lithium-ion technology. Angle exact iron professional and exact iron professional. Blue power tools for trade and industry. Bosch, invented for life.
If you have any questions, you can contact us at 800-808-7168, or you can email us at sales@intmfg.com. We look forward to assist you with your manufacturing needs.